Káàsán.
Káàsán báwo ni? Kú iṣẹ́.
Dáadáa ni.
Ṣé wàá pa?
Mo wà pa.
Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ o, ó dé o, báwo ni? Kí la wà? Àárọ̀ àbọ̀sán. What period of the day are we? Morning or afternoon? So what do we call morning in Yorùbá? Kí ni morning? Àárọ̀. So how do we greet in the morning? Báwo ló ṣe máa kí mi láàárọ̀ yìí? Káàárọ̀. Louder.
Ẹ káàárọ̀.
Báwo ni káàárọ̀ o? Ṣé wàá pa? How do we say yes? Not in my class. So ti gbọ́. What are past tense? Just have 2 letter words for past tense.
Sí.
Ó ṣe ti. Kí wá ní fún future tense? Kí la máa ń lò fún future tense? Máa kò ṣe gan. Kí la máa ń lò fún present tense tàbí ká sọ pé present continuous tense? Now she says for present tense we have ń sùn. Kí ni meaning ń sùn tó sọ? Sleeping. Tí bá wá sọ wípé ń jẹun, eating. Now she said ń sùn, sleeping, correct. Ń jẹun, eating, correct. Will drink. Máa mu kúṣẹ́. I love your top. Kí ni I've drank? Timu. Can you see that I'm not using any words? I'm just bringing the tense and the verb together. Do you notice that? I did not say Ifedayo, I have drank water.